Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to safely download and install Fortnite on your PC. Avoid downloading Fortnite from random third-party websites or apps. They may contain fake installers, malware, or unwanted software that could put your PC at risk. Instead, I'll show you the official and trusted way to install Fortnite directly from Epic Games. It's completely free. So let's get started. Open your web browser. Search for Epic Games. Then open the official Epic Games Store website. Click Download in the top right corner. The Epic Games launcher will start downloading. While it's downloading, click Sign In. If you don't already have an Epic Games account, click Create Account. Complete the registration. Then sign in to your account. Once the launcher has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder. Double-click the Epic Games installer. Click Install. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Wait for the Epic Games launcher to finish installing. Once it's installed, sign in with your Epic Games account. After signing in, click Store. Use the search bar. Search for Fortnite. Open the Fortnite page. Then click Get. Since Fortnite is free, click Place Order. Then click View in Library. Open your library. Click on Fortnite. Choose where you want to install the game. You can also enable auto update and create a desktop shortcut if you want. Then click Install. Read and accept the agreement. The download will begin. Fortnite is a large game, so the download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, open your library. Click Fortnite and start playing. That's all. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.